During the past 2.5 years, there's been a lot of speculation about how and where the COVID-19 pandemic started. However, scientists now believe that they have the clearest view of how the virus started and how it spread to humans.
What we did in this study was we looked to try to figure out, based on the genetics of the virus and what we knew about coronaviruses before this, where the virus might have come from. So one thing I can tell you is that this is not a bioweapon. Nobody made this virus in a laboratory. This is a product of nature. What we believe is that the virus, probably a long time ago, originated from a bat species, because there are coronaviruses of bats that are very similar to this new coronavirus, the SARS coronavirus 2. But there are other parts of the virus that look more like other animal coronaviruses. So what we believe is that this is a recombinant. So the virus combined from two different species to create a virus that is now infecting humans.
According to an article from Vox, scientists have determined that the combination of viruses most likely took place at the Huanan seafood market. Vendors here sold over 38 species of animals from remote locations under poor welfare and hygiene conditions, a recipe for breeding new diseases. Past research has also shown that coronaviruses in particular easily mutate to infect humans, as was the case with COVID-19.
We found other coronaviruses in bats, a whole host of them. Some of them looked very similar to SARS. So we sequenced the spike protein, the protein that attaches to cells. Then I didn't do this work, but my colleagues in China did the work. You create pseudoparticles, you insert the spike proteins from those viruses, see if they bind to human cells. And each step of this, you move closer and closer to this virus could really become pathogenic in people.
These findings are so important, not only to determine where COVID-19 came from, but also to lower the chances of another virus from its family mutating to cause another pandemic.